Wow, nice. The great truck is on the road is going to destinations, trying to the running on the very high class difficult roads where the driver is so skilly, going on the destinations with the high skills on the going, and on the ways to trying to the running on the very dangerous roads. And the truck driver is so lucky and good, high skills going on the destinations. Oh, nicely to trying to the and the road rollers and the very loading truck is again on the destinations on the ways to going on the lucky ways to trying to the destinations, highly skilly ways, beautiful stunts and the road wheelers and wow, nicely to sing on the different stunts here. Oh, nicely to going on the destination on the ways to different stunts here on different ways. There is also the river here and the water is so dangerous here going on the destinations on the ways to trying to the ways. Wow, the truck is start now, the attaching with the roads and going on the destination to connecting. Wow, nicely there the high class blocks here and the mountains here again little stands show there and the different ways to the trying to the ways different stands here. This is the popular tourist destination. Some have referred to it as the eighth world wonder. The highly significant qualities, the tourist buses and this is the baggage and the truck here on the going on the destination to trying to see the on the ways to different ways mountains highly class and it is in the October 17 people killed when the bus tumbled into the gorge after the driver took a sharp turn along the way. A month earlier it was killed in a landsliding and this is a highly dangerous and the very highly difficult roads to trying to reach their destinations on the road and different incidents like they have occurred on the road when the first built in the 1958 roughly to 1,000 workers were killed during the highway construction due to the blast or the landsliding. It is like the Kuram Highways game where the seventh Ajuba of the world, seventh in the game to show the different stunts. The truck driver is going and very lucky to see the different ways to show the different stunts here going on the different ways incidents and it is likely the heavily construction game where we can reach different and the beautiful stunts of the car and the North's youngest roads name the death roads currently under the title of the world's most dangerous highways. After the 12 feet wide, the roads carways a narrow stretch into the Cordillera Oriental Mountain in the Bolivia, which is often shrouded in the rain and fog. One wrong turn could send the traveler plummeting anywhere from 4,000 to 50,000 to feet the grounds. Many of the sections are unpaved and the lack guardrails, creating and the added danger for the boats, vessels and the cyclists. An estimated 2,000 to the 3,300 people can in the highway every year. It is the so dangerous road where the river is near and the truck is roll nicely to sunset going on the destinations and the truck is running. Wow, the driver is so skillfully and carefully to driving here and it is going to trying to their destinations where the beautiful mountains, beautiful scenes is highly given mostly frequently to 9 to 10,000 feet up here going on the destination the beautiful stunts here to show the where the nearly to the destination where the baggage is off. So luckily to trying to see the different stunts here but sometimes you are very is heavily danger when near the destination where some also baggage here, there's some running here and going, and the next point will show the different ways the passing time is again. Wow, nicely to stop here. Now the next point is start now, and where the very highly and the very loading truck here with the full of the wow the big shopping times again and again to destinations to show the different stunts here and different ways to trying to different stunts and the mountains, and there is also the weather is so roughly, and the also the raining here and the so unlucky road. So this is the very loading truck here. So going on the destination and different ways to trying to the different stunts here. But sometimes you are lucky to forward to the destinations. This is the time to show the different stunts here, different loading times and the different wow like the highly qualified and the near here and the line sliding here, also the dangerous roads, so the line sliding here and also the blasting here, and sometimes the also truck is in danger, and you are looking in a good way. But it is the time to show the different stunts here. This is the lucky to time to show the difference, and the driver is so carefully to going on the destination, and the normal Lancanian road run through the small group for the Celtic Island, but more stretch on the highway is far from the direct storm began to pick up. A carway portion of the road is pummeled with the wind and water, creating a hazard for drivers. The roads were hit by the dozen windstorms during its construction in 1980, and so the driver is on the Dalton Highway are advised to bring the safety gear. There is no medical facilities along the 4x4 road, and no gas station, restaurant or hotel for 240 minutes stretch. It's so difficult road, and the weather is not driving difficulty, but this is the time to reach the destinations. Again, the Roji Pass is also the closed during the winter. Is heavy snowfall formed through thicker walls along with the side of the road under the normal weather conditions. The narrow dirt path lacks protective barriers, putting drivers at risk of implementing some 11,500 feet to the ground. Like many of the world's most dangerous roads, the Roji Pass is also the vulnerable to the avalanche and the landsliding, leaving many tourists stranded at high elevations. And the going on the destinations and the wow, the nicely pass here. The track is drivery to running on the different ways, and also the running on the different stunts here, and show the different ways to the lucky to driving. Wow, nicely to the highly roads on the world most highly upping roads again on the destinations, and wow, so unlucky to trying to the near the rivers. It is so nicely to trying on the ways to different stunts, but sometimes you are the lucky trying to the ways again and again to show the different ways to the different stunts here. But sometimes it is nicely to trying to here, but is nicely to look here to forwarding different times. It is nicely to good ways to do all the different stunts here, and I like the many more of the world most dangerous road, the Roji Pass, and the different like the stunts here. And also this is the Golin Tunnel created resistance to 13 villages who listed in the 4004 and the China Thailand Mall and 19,000 tough areas where the popular tourist is tunnels really lack barrier and street lamp. Also, driver must enter in their own risk. Local now refer to it. The road does not tolerate mistakes. So the weather is so not good when going on the destination. Then on the way, near the where the long baggage, long barriers, trees barriers is going on the destination where the most sometimes you are going on the lucky destination again and again on their risk. So lucky roads where you are going on the destination. So sometimes you are have a heavily rolling and now the different ways to stand showing again need to lucky to ways so again, and sometimes it is really nicely to see the different destinations is nearly to their on the ways. Now the destination is reached and truck is going on the different turns showing on the ways where the on the end point and nicely to trying to show these on the ways. Wow, nicely. And now again the new truck is baggage. It is the only the empty truck going on the destinations again and again but different times. This is so the going on the destinations, so trying on the ways. Oh, very speedily to the going on the destination. Oh, it is the empty truck on the ways showing the different stunts with the heavily road. Wow, nicely to see the different stunts here. And then nicely to the and the death of the along the Kabul Jalalabad road in Afghanistan to lie local in the heavy loss. And sometimes again different roads all through the world, the beautiful stunts here going on the destination inside the different ways to show the different shift in again the most different stunts show the and the people is now going on the destination on there the on the way the on the risk and going, and sometimes you show the different stunts and different ways going number of different roads and again different stunts to show the different ways to different shows, but you are lucky to show the different ways. Wow, nicely to see the different stunts going the top most dangerous most lucky road on the going on the destination and luckily known as the road and to new and this is a Bolivian 8 km road and considered by the many of the world most dangerous road, and it does not stop many admire jockeys and talking on the road with the speakers. And the tunnel is located in the Taihang mountain in Chinese in province of Henan in the one of the most famous in the world. To show the different, this is the road built by the any local in the early 70s, but it is provided access to the small to own 7 years later. It is replaced in narrow steps and sound side of the mountain with 1-2 km road tunnel which pass through the mountains. The road is 4,693 meters above the sea level and it is known as the highest asphalt road. It is the most formed part of the Silk Road and known as the long route through the range between the mountains together. It became the important tourist attraction to impress the landsliding along the road comparative to show the different ways to different stunts. Oh, nicely to not go good at so dangerously. The truck is so in danger, so nicely not is known. Oh, it is so unlucky to the driving here. To time is not good, which is the traffic is so unlucky. The traffic is so in danger. It is so dangerous time. Oh, unlucky to the and to now the end the video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribe my channel.